What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and today we are unboxing the Dragon Ninja. So we've got to do this in a ninja style way. Let's go do something. Going ninja style on this. Yeah. Yeah. The box is now successfully cut, like so. Let's have a close look. I just had to improv. This is like my girlfriend's dress or something, but I thought it'd be pretty cool for this. Alright, all jokes aside, I've never actually seen this scooter before. This is actually already looking really good because I just like walked past and got the thing off my head and had a bit of a look just now, and it is looking very exciting. So let's get it up just as it is. Let's get up a nice and close look. Alright, first look. So we've got grey, which is good. I really love the grey on the Dragons, so this is looking good. I think this is going to be that'll be our charger box. So let's have a rip into that in just a sec. Put that over here. Alright, we can already see a faint ninja sign in there. Let's have a look at the first part of it. Ooh! We've got a screen that looks a lot like Eagle screen. So if that is the Eagle screen, that's exciting. We've got cable brakes by the look of it. Thumb throttle. Good. Actually, I'm a little bit mixed. Like I'm good with both. Like I'm good with thumb and trigger. So yeah, we've got a trigger throttle there. Looks very well packaged. All right, let's get these guys back up on the stand and let's have ourselves a quick look at this and get rid of this foam pieces. So this actually looks a lot like a setup from the Predator and the Scorpion, which is going to be a nice, easy setup. So got our bars. Let's have our first look. Ooh, that's cool. All right. There we go. Yeah, it has the exact same clip as the Lightnings. Love seeing that. That means we've got ourselves a very nice, sturdy stem. So now would probably be a good time to look in the box. We've got ourselves a Dragon Ninja manual. So it's going to tell us a lot about the scooter. Definitely, guys, read through that. There is a lot of questions that will be answered in those. Alright, open up the box. We have ourselves the charger, cable, and we have ourselves a charging brick, which charging brick is the new kind off of the Hurricane. And she charges to 55.6, so it's a 48 volt system in this, and it current is at 1.5 amp. So we're looking probably about, let's take a guess, about maybe 6-8 hour charge time. And we've got our toolkit, which is what we're in for. So this is going to help us assemble and disassemble the scooter. Using the toolkit supplied in the box, we're going to find the right size Allen key to remove this Allen bolt and cap. Once that's removed, we want to place that down somewhere safely, as we'll need to use that later. Now we want to grab the bars and place them on, making sure the throttle is on the right hand side. This will stop you from putting the bars on back to front. Grab the Allen key bolt and cap we removed earlier and tighten just so it's snug, not all the way tight, just enough to keep the bars down. Next step, straighten the bars as best as you possibly can and move just down from the Allen key bolt and cap. We want to tighten these pinch bolts. Just before you tighten them all the way up, making sure the bars are nice and straight, and then finish and complete tightening both left and right. After that, we can then tighten the top Allen key bolt and cap. Next step is going over the bars, checking the brake levers, switches, and the throttle and screen are all tight and in a position that you're happy with. And it's that easy. You're all done. Alright, this looks pretty good. Wow. I am making a mess because I'm just so excited to see this thing. Yeah, right. Okay. So it's kind of tapered around. Alright. Got a lock. That's good. Wonder if that lights up. Oh, it looks like we've got some LEDs along the side. Excellent. All right. let's get this thing out. I'm actually pretty keen to see it, and I'm sure you guys are too. So I'm going to remove this out of the box, and let's get straight into having a look at this thing. Alright guys, this is a first look at this thing. This is cool. What do we got here, 10 inch? I think there's some sort of 10s by the look of it. Yeah, they're definitely a 10. It's like a low profile 10. Tires look cool as. They're going to be so smooth and nice to ride on. We've got a Dragon GTR headlight. We've obviously seen these before. Great stout, bright little things. We would like to see one of the Predator headlights actually on this, but yeah, this thing's cool. It's a curved neck with the bottom. Yeah, that's nice. Got silver springs in there too. We've got rubber deck. Nice. Nice rubber. 140mm disc brakes by the looks of things. We've got a check tag. We'll get rid of that later on. Really cool mud flap. That's cool. Yeah, right. This thing's cool as. I like the silver springs. It's really nice. Ties it all in there really well. Where's the brake lights on this thing? Oh, that's cool, man. Yeah, right. Oh, let's get this thing a start up. It's going to be cool. Alright guys, first start up, we have the NFC. Let's give this thing a crack. Oh, we've got the lights on already. That's a cool start up. Yeah, this is the exact same screen as the Eagle. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, guys. That's a good thing. Oh man, look at this. Yeah. So I'm not sure if it's going to come up on camera, but that's like cream. It's like a cream colour. It's kind of cool. I actually really dig that. Oh, that's sick. Of course, always Dragon GTR styled V2 headlight, very bright. Yeah, right. So this thing's pretty cool, and it's not that small. Probably a little bit bigger than a GTR V2, if I'm going to be honest. And I just noticed this has the red S badge, which means it's dual motor. Can we get it into gear? Oh, that's actually really nice. That's smooth. This thing's like going to be so nice to ride. Yeah, right. Oh, this gets me excited, guys. This is actually really, really cool. But you know what's even cooler than that? In these headlights, plus being winter, you can get $50 off your very own Dragon Ninja by just putting in coupon code DC50. That is right. Finally, guys, I have finally been able to push forward and get you guys a discount code. So definitely, only going to last for 30 days. DC50 on your checkout, and you'll get $50 off your very own Dragon Ninja. So time is ticking. Definitely get in there, guys. It's the first time on this whole DC Unplugged channel I've actually been able to give you guys a coupon. So do not waste time. Done speaking, let's go. So I am pretty keen to get some cool shots of this and definitely get you guys a review. So hopefully you guys should see that coming up very soon. But for now, enjoy the slow motion shots of this thing. Because I dare say this thing looks pretty bloody cool.